Alright, so for this video we're going to be focusing on addictions because addictions can be found in the fifth house, which is the house of pleasures, children and pleasures. So for this I'll be using Introduction to Traditional Astrology by Abu Mashar and Al-Kabisi, translated by Benjamin Dykes. The fifth house refers to children, delights, eating and drinking, legates, and donations, and it signifies what is going to be after death, namely in terms of praise or blame. And Al-Andarzaghar said, "The first lord of the triplicity of the house of children signifies children, children in life. The second, delights, and the third, legates." The word legate comes from the Latin ligare, meaning to bind. Now, the ruling sign of this third decan, which you're going to have to find out on your own natal chart, signifies the planet that is responsible for a possible addiction or habit. This depends if the planet is afflicted. Now, for example, if this planet is in, let's say, maybe your 6th house or your 8th house or your 12th house, you want to pay special attention to this. Now, for me, I have this ruling planet. For example, my Venus rules my third decan in my 5th house, which rules addiction. So yeah, I did have some addictional problems when it came to Venus and Scorpio. All right, Venus and Scorpio does make sex addicts. And now in my natal chart, I can see why. So, to figure out how this affects you, we have to keep in mind that every one of the signs, every one of the zodiacal signs rules a certain part of the human body. Aries has the head and face. Taurus signifies the neck and Adam's apple. Gemini signifies the shoulders, arms, and hands. Cancer signifies the chest. Leo signifies the heart and back. Virgo signifies the stomach and the innards, the diaphragm and small intestines. Libra signifies the backbone, lower parts of the belly and the navel. Scorpio signifies the genitals, testicles, bladder, and anus. Sagittarius signifies the thighs. Capricorn signifies the knees. Aquarius signifies the legs and lower ankles. And finally, Pisces signifies the feet. So Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius are fire signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn are earth signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius are air signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces are water signs. Fire signs refer to anger, possibly even violent tendencies. Earth signs refer to food addictions. Air signs refer to drugs, specifically the inhalation of air or smoke whenever you're smoking whatever drug it is. And water signs refer to sexual passions. So remember, it's the third decan of the 5th house, which will signify if there's addictions. Now, if the planet isn't afflicted, then you know what? It'll be a good habit. You'll probably work out a lot. You'll have ambition. If it's in a fire sign and it's it's perfectly fine. You're going to be someone who's ambitious. You're going to work out a lot. If it's in a good earth sign, in a good house, you'll probably be a very dedicated, healthy eater. If it's in a water sign that's not in a bad house, it could be that you have a very healthy sex life. So this is how this works. As soon as I get more information on how to counteract these afflicted planetary conditions that do produce harmful addictions, I'll post it up. All right, thanks, guys.